Your name?
Robert Thomas Boyd.
All right. Mr. Boyd, you have the right to an attorney. I'll be happy to give you one at public expense if you would like one. Would you like a lawyer?
No, thank you.
Ms. Foley Carter, your name, please?
Caitlin Fuller, Crime Progressive Township. I do have the ordinance enforcement officer. You have to grab them.
Please.
Sure.
All right. Did you go out and look?
Yeah, there's no change.
Ms. Boyd. Mr. Boyd. You're going to force me to do something that I don't want to do. You're not going to make me lock you up, are you?
I hope not.
Well, come on. You cannot have a dump sitting there in a township. It's a dump.
I've been working on it.
You have not been working on it. We were just out there.
I've worked at it.
Well, what did you do since I went out and looked at the property back on July the 16th? Tell me what you've done.
Okay.
Come on, be specific now. I've got the ordinance officer sitting here.
A couple more brush down,
Where?
on the side yard.
What are you? Side yard. Where are the vehicles? Are they still there?
Yes,
The
sir.
boat, the trailer, the garage.
We're over at my mechanic right now. I've called him twice, tried to get it over there to him, but he's on the roof right now. I'll call him again today when I get out of here.
Boy. They've warned you before. You've known about this case since at least the middle of April. This is the end of July. I don't know what I got to do.
I'm working on it.
You're not working on it. It'll take you 42 years to get this place in the shape that it needs to be. At the pace that you're operating.
I'll work days.
Listen, I don't care if you have to hire contractors. The place is a dump.
I've tried to get help. I've tried to hire help.
Mr. Boyd,
Nobody wants to work. Willing to pay them $10 an hour a day.
$10 an hour. No wonder they're not willing to work.
Well, I make minimum wage. I work for it.
You're not going to find anybody to come over there and deal with that mess for $10 an hour.
Well, they have to work with me, but it's,
Where do you work?
I work for, Motor City Solutions. I'm a test driver for Ford products.
This is just this one request in your. Did you send this to Mr. Boyd?
I did, Your Honor.
You got winter boat storage is only permitted on residential waterfront surfaces pursuant to your code 13.09.
Right, that's just to ensure that the boat doesn't remain there over the winter.
It's a dangerous structure to begin.
Yes, sir. They've done a number on it.
Who's they? Who parked the vehicles there? Who parked the boat there? Who let the garage go to the point that it's dilapidated and needs to be taken down? Come on.
They tore it up.
I don't know what you're saying. You told me this when I was out there. I don't want to hear it at this point.
I mean, you saw the windows were knocked out, then you saw the door was tore off. I didn't do that. The door was tore off my tool trailer. I'm missing.
I have a feeling once I order this, you're not going to do anything.
I work on it every day I can.
Come on.
Really?
No, you don't. No, I don't believe you. You're not being truthful.
I am being truthful. It's rained a lot today.
Tell me that too.
Yes, sir. It's rained a lot this week. It's gonna rain today.
Is it? Okay, Sonny Elliott.
Pardon?
Didn't it rain Sunday, right? Or Monday? Did it rain Sunday?
Rain Monday.
I know. Did it rain Sunday? No. Did it rain Saturday? No.
Yeah, it did.
Did it rain Saturday? I wasn't here. Some,
It's rained a lot.
Mr. Boyd.
Saturday, we had, all them big thunderstorms come through.
All right. Listen, I've heard enough. I don't want to hear any more excuses.
Can't help the rain.
Mr. Boyd, I don't want to hear it.
Give me more time and Rob can keep an eye on me. I'll work on whatever he wants me to work on first.
Anything else? Anything else?
No, sir.
Anything else?
No, Your Honor, the people will just rely on it, they'll bring it up.
Do you have any objection to any of these items that they're requesting in their sentencing memorandum?
Pardon?
They sent you this sentencing memorandum. Did you
Oh,
read
yeah.
it?
I saw that.
Did you read it?
Yeah, I got that on Monday.
Okay. Do you have any objection to following all these rules?
Yeah, as best I understand them, yes.
Listen to my question. Do you have an objection to complying with all these items that they're asking me to order?
No.
I don't know how in the world. I'm going to talk about a mechanism for timeliness. And I got to tell you, I don't want to hear any more about the rain. Okay? That is just six months probation. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate any law or ordinance of any unit of government. If you change your address, place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You have to report as directed. I'm not going to copy all of this. I'm going to put it in an order. Amy, you can tell probation. Here are the conditions. All vehicles parked on the property must be located on a concrete or asphalt driveway surface. They have to be licensed.
I have a stone
I
driveway.
don't want to hear it. I'm going to tell you what, I'm telling you, it has to be on a concrete or asphalt surface. It has to be licensed, and the vehicles have to be operable. Any vehicles that are not operable have to be stored inside an enclosed building or removed from the property. I don't think you have an enclosed building that's going to accommodate all the vehicles you have there. So you gotta get them off the property if they're inoperable. Any recreational vehicles such as your boat, anything else must be operable, licensed, and registered to you or the occupant of the property. You have to have any recreational vehicle stored on a hard or pervious concrete, asphalt, permeable, grass pavers, or gravel surface. They must be used for their intended purpose and not as storage. So you can't just have a boat in there and throw a bunch of junk in there. All non-permitted accessory structures have to be removed. You do not live on a residential waterfront surface, so winter boat storage will not be permitted on that property. The garage must be torn down and removed, and any excavation thereunder filled to grade level. Did I sufficiently cover that one? I think I did.
I think so.
Junk, trash, rubbish, tarps, anything that creates rodent harborage or refuse of any kind needs to be removed. Okay?
Okay,
Junk includes parts of machinery or motor vehicles, unused stoves or other appliances stored in the open, remnants of wood, metal, or any other material or other cast-off material of any kind. Weeds, grass, and undergrowth must be cut and maintained so as not to be higher than 8 inches pursuant to ordinance. You are to allow township officials on your property for a compliance inspection, at least weekly or more. Now, I want to know about a timetable here. This is only 6 months and I want this done quickly. Sir, you seem like a nice man, but you cannot have that kind of junkyard in the middle of the township. You can't. Well, I know you say you understand, but you're not moving. You gotta move.
I feel like I have to. I don't have a whole lot of time after work. I get
I don't know what to tell you. That property did not reach that level of floppiness, junkness, whatever you want to call it, overnight. I would have to say it's taken years. You got to move. Now,
sure.
Tabitha, type up everything on there. Attach it to this. Now, let's set timetables. If you guys have any ideas, can you help me with this? What do you want out of there first?
How about the garage?
Yeah, the bridge, that the stuff is probably the biggest hindrance, or the biggest complaint from the township. It's the harborage, which includes trailers and the garage. I mean, there's trains that we didn't even see that behind in the brush.
Why don't you get your sons to help you?
Pardon?
Why don't you get your sons to help you? You said you had 2 sons last time, did you not?
He's working 7 days a week, 12 hours a day. My other son works up the other side of 15 miles.
How are you gonna get the garage torn down?
That's my main goal to go.
Well, I need it done now. How long is it gonna take you?
I don't know, I gotta see about, getting a junk trailer and,
Well, I know, but I want a timetable.
well,
I'm giving it until September 1st to have the garage removed.
how about Christmas?
No. Christmas.
I might have to end up doing it myself.
Sir, I don't think you're understanding. Christmas. This is the problem, you're procrastinating. September 15th, I want it down. We're setting a review hearing date, Amy. I need a review hearing date, garage to be removed by September 15th. I don't care how you do it, who you hire, who helps you, who doesn't help you. I want it done by then. I'm not going to worry about the excavation levels at that point, but by September 15th, give me a review hearing date, please, right on my first docket day after September 15th with Brownstown.
September 24th at 8:30.
Did you say December?
September.
December.
And then when you come in that at the time, now I'm not saying you shouldn't be working on other things either. But I want that garage down by September 15th. So you're going to put that in the order. All vehicles. How are you going to do this? How are you going to do this? You're going to have to get rid of those vehicles.
I'll find a place for them.
Order, include this, order pertaining to vehicles must be complied with by October 1st. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
We'll send you this order. You're going to pay fines of $200, costs of $100, 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment. I'm not looking at making you go broke here. $545 is your total, including its probation fees. We're going to give them a review hearing date in 6 months also. So prosecutorial review hearing date will take place should be mid-January.
January 14th.
January 14th, 26 at 8:30. I cannot repeat enough. I think you're a very nice man. So I want to print out a review hearing for September 24 at 8:30. Review date, January 14 at 26 at 8:30. And John, when you go over probation, I want them to schedule an appointment for him to come and see them because I have to type up this order.
Okay.
Okay? Anything else you want me to do or asking me to do?
No, Your Honor.
I'm just going to give you until January 1st to pay all your fines. Okay? Actually, I'm going to make it December 20th of 25. You have to pay all your fines by then. You go down and get your printed notices. You're going to go over to probation. They'll tell you when you have to come back. I have to have an order typed up. I need to file that.
Your Honor, with my job, I have to deliver cars to Ohio and
Yeah, I told you at the time of the bond, but thank you for bringing that up. You can leave the state for employment purposes, okay?
Thank you.
You can leave state for employment purposes. Now, I want to make sure that you're not going to go out of here, leave this building, and forget about everything I just said.
No, sir. I have that paper at home.
Okay? Let's get started. Good luck. If you violate your status 771, I'm taking this under 771.1. The case will be dismissed if you're compliant. If you're not, conviction will enter and you're subject to a 90-day jail term. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You're not going to make me do that, are you?
Hope not.
Well, I don't want there to be hopes. You got to get moving, sir. I've heard enough about rain. Good luck.
Thank you.
Joshua Jordan Lazarick,
Ready.
255-415-022.